Okay, right here we have tabletop slides. So I have a sand bell right here. You can use a dumbbell, you can use a plate, really anything that just has some weight. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get down into our tabletop. We can also do this from a plank too. So if I ever say plank with a slide, this is the same thing. We'll just extend our legs out. So tabletop slide, we want that weight to be in the middle of our torso, right around our rib cage. And then right here, we're in our tabletop position. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to lift, and now I'm going to slide that bag from one side of the other. If it's too difficult, you can widen your feet out a little bit. And what I really want to avoid is any of my movements. So watch, you'll see that I don't have my hips twisting a whole lot right here. I'm working a lot of anti-rotation of the trunk. So I'm not right here, my butt's not in the air, nice strong back. And we're just gonna slide from one side to the other. So if you ever need more work, it's too easy, then you can narrow your feet a little bit, or you can grab a heavier weight. I had 6 pounds right here, now I have 20 pounds. Get into that position. We're just gonna slide from side to side without breaking our spine and without twisting our hips. Those are tabletop slides.